Welcome to the Fast Tracks Academy, and in this cashier training video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple cash sale utilizing the product lookup. First things first, we need to log in. Depending on the situation, you may or may not need to clock into the system. If you're unsure about how to do that, please look back at the time clock training. For this purpose, we're simply going to go right into the POS system, and we are going to utilize the Find Item tool. Searching, I have the ability to search by description, UPC, expanded UPC, vendor part, or everywhere. I am going to do a parcel search for the word Marl, short for Marlboro. And I am going to select my product. I'm going to hit OK. I need to verify that my customer is of age. Once I've verified that everything that I am getting for the customer is on my receipt here, I'll go ahead and select subtotal. I'm going to go ahead and select no bag for this particular customer here. And now that I am on my subtotal page, I can utilize the dollar amounts, or I can utilize the cash button or cash next button. In this particular instance, the customer has provided me with $15 even, so I'm going to utilize the cash next button. And we will save our sale. You will see I owe them 15 cents, which I will get from the drawer, and hand over along with the receipt to the customer along with their pack of cigarettes. And that is how we go ahead and do a simple cash transaction.